Guys, it's me, Christina Marie. I am doing an eyeshadow tutorial review for you guys. I know you guys have heard of this name, Cargo. They're sold at HSN. I do love the fact that they're sold at HSN because you can make monthly payments if you want. HSN, Kohl's, Cargo.com, and a bunch of different places. So I picked this one up personally at TJ Maxx for $9.99. And I'm going to show you some pictures right now of them going on sale.
My favorite makeup brands that we sell here at HSN. Ellie, you're one of my favorites. You know you are.
With reason.
With
You're
good
a smart
reason.
girl.
Well, because Cargo, you make it smart, you make it easy, you make it fun, and boy, oh boy, let's just talk value.
So this company always goes on sale. This says it is a $374 value for $39. Then I got it on sale for 10 bucks. Let's just go ahead and open it up. So the mirror on it, you guys can see me right here. Can you see me? It is humongous mirror. And the colors, look how many colors you have to play with. This is more of a neutral palette. So you guys can see it has golds, peaches, nudes, browns. This is very versatile for a lot of different looks, and on the back of it, it shows you how to do that. So you can get this really, really cheap in a lot of places. But is it worth your money? I don't know. I just got how many shadows? I don't know. Does it even tell me how many shadows? Oh, it does not tell me how many eyeshadows, but it's a lot. It's a lot. For 10 bucks. Can't beat that. Is it worth it? Let's go ahead and just jump to that tutorial. If you're wondering if they are good or not and don't want to see the tutorial, just go ahead and jump to the end of the video and skip that. This is what I'm creating today. Okay, so let's just dive in. I'm going to take this neutral, like a base yellow color, and I'm going to put it all over my eyes to go ahead and set my eyeshadow primer. So now I'm going to go with this neutral brown. It looks like a khaki color. And I'm going to put this in the crease. Now I will have to say that there is quite a bit of, look at this, like when you touch it, you guys can see how powdery the formula gets. That's fine, it doesn't bother me. Shake off the extra. I'm going to put this back and forth in windshield wiper motions in the crease. And I'm not really seeing much color here, but they said it was a wash of color. I'm gonna go ahead and dive into a little bit deeper and put this, okay, there we go, there's some color. Just a clean brush, and I'm gonna go ahead and make sure that those edges are nice and blended. And this is how I determine whether I want to put it on my eyes or not. I kind of swatch it and then put it against my face and figure out if I like it or not. Which that one should be more of a champagne. And that's the one I'm going to go for today. So I'm going to go ahead and just take a flat brush and push this down on the lid. Okay, I'm going to go with this nice rose tone right here. I'm going to have these colors kind of blend into each other. And that is a very pretty color. Look at that. So we're going to go with one of the darkest colors in the palette, and it's this tiny little one right here that's matte. And I'm going to pat it down right here at the very, very edge and slightly wing it over. With the original transition color, that really light one that didn't show, I'm going to go ahead and run right on top of this. Just to, I think it needs a little extra softening. Now I'm going to take a very, very light cream right here and put it right under the eyebrow. This is just a matte cream. Clean everything up nice and neat. Now to finish up the eye, I'm going to take this white shimmer. It actually looks like a white yellow. So let's go ahead and swatch it and see. Oh, okay, so it's good I swatched it because it's more of a yellow. That's fine. I'm going to go ahead and put it in the corners because it has a white base to it. Right there, and bring it over to touch that other color. And this just kind of highlights the eye in that corner. I'm gonna wipe off the brush a little bit and soften that edge because I don't like it when you see just a swoop, like a line. I'm going to go ahead and put my foundation on and everything, and I'm going to take that transition color and I'm going to sweep it right under the eye in a second. Guys, so I just did my hair, the rest of my makeup off camera, so we're going to take that neutral brown and we're going to just put it under the eye. So I just got a tiny brush here and I'm just going to pat it down under the eye to kind of just give a little shadow right there. And that's it. So what did I think? I don't know. What did you guys think? So I think it is true. They are buildable, and a lot of them come out like a wash of color, and then you have to put a wash of color on top of a wash of color to build that color. Now, the price point is amazing. Like I was saying, amazing. And such a large and beautiful palette. The mirror here, that's my vent up there, the mirror is really super big and super nice. I think this would be a wonderful, wonderful gift for somebody, and it is a recognized company as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit that thumbs up button, little subscribe button, and the tiny little bell next to it for notifications of new videos. If I can find some of these palettes, I will post them down below in the comment section. Like I said, they are very cheap in comparison to other brands. So I'm Christina Marie. I'm out. Bye.